My first resource is the iEarn website. And so you can see here at the top of the screen, the web address is iEarn.org. The purpose of this website is to allow classrooms to collaborate with each other any place in the world. So if we were to navigate this website, we look here at the top, we see home, collaboration, about, etc. If we click on collaboration, that will take us to a page that shows that there are more than 100 active global projects. We can scroll down and we can see some samples here. Things such as One Day in the Life, which allows students to learn about what life is like for students all around the world. You can see there are 73 countries that are participating in that project. We have My School, Your School, that talks about what school looks like in different parts of the world. We have a cultural package exchange that talks about and gives insight into different cultures. Here at the bottom, we see the project space. So if one of those projects didn't jump out to you, you can come to the project space, scroll down, and see all kinds of projects that have been generated by different users. We see here, for example, a 360 VR cultural exchange. And so lots of things in here that can appeal to anybody in any category whatsoever. Again, the purpose of this would be to enhance understanding of world cultures or take learning to a higher level, and an opportunity to collaborate with students all over the world. The audience here would be for my students in my world geography class. And the two ISTE standards this would meet would be the one of citizen, and learning how to be a citizen in a global community and to collaborate with others to create a real world, authentic learning experiences that really impact the world and help make a difference, not only for our students, but for students in other places.